Okay, I've just received my vacuum sealer pack and it's going to go with the sous vide machine. So I'm just going to open it and see what little goodies I've got in here. A lot of the vacuum sealers are the same. As long as you get one of the sort of quality ones, which we have on the website, we can show you which ones those are. It doesn't really matter which brand you get. So this is the vacuum sealer. It looks very nice. And usually when you buy a vacuum sealer, they come with either bags or rolls or both. My instructions. So we don't need any of that. And these are quite simple to use. So I'll get it unpacked. I really like the look of this one. It looks very sturdy. It's a Vaccum. So with this one, I have a wide roll. These are both rolls, so it's quite a wide roll, and this is a narrow roll for a smaller amount of food to vacuum seal. Some of the sous vide machines come with what they call starter kits, so you can actually buy the sous vide machine with the vacuum sealer, with a cookbook or a temperature book, and with some of the rolls or bags for the food to go into. And they're often the best buys, where you can buy everything in the one kit. Next video, I'm going to show you how to use this.